Hey guys, Bryson with Trick Tools here, and today I'm going to show you guys the Flextur workstations. And this is a pretty unique rolling package that gives you the ability to roll a cart around that's going to have any tools, materials, and that sort of thing in your shop. That way you can stay organized and be able to keep all your parts and tools and those kind of things right next to your work area to be able to be efficient and organized and all that. So as you can see, there's a number of different accessories on here. I'll go over those in a minute. Basically, you can order the workstation in a couple of different ways. We sell it as the 4-panel workstation. So there's one panel here, another one down here on the bottom side, and then 2 on the back. So that would be the 4-panel. You can buy it as a 2-panel. If you only want a 2-panel, you can put them on one side, or you can put them, both one front, one back, up high or down low, however you want to set it up. So you buy the workstation, and then the accessories are additional from there. So we have a 26-piece kit that gives you 26 pieces of accessories. We have a 41-piece and a 71-piece. So what you see on this cart here is the 71-piece accessory kit. If you find that you want specific accessory that you want to buy more of a certain thing in order to get it set up how it's going to fit you the best, you can order those separately by giving us a call, and we'll get you hooked up with those. So each one of these panels is made of 14 gauge steel, and it has their Gridlok pattern on it, and all of the accessories can be slid on and off, hooking into place. Here there's a number of different accessories that gives you the ability to store tools, materials or hardware, that kind of thing. Obviously you got a nice little screwdriver type rack here, another style here, just threw a Sharpie in there to have an example. There's a socket rail here to be able to hold some sockets. There's a number of different size hooks to be able to hold anything that you can hang on it. So wrenches, other tools, other pieces of hardware, that sort of thing. There is this swinging panel here that you can mount, let's say, plans, drawings, those kind of things on it. You can swing it, look at, get it the angle you need to be able to easily reference that, and you can also hang any of the accessories from that as well. So there's some different shelf options. Here, some different size bins and trays. There's these bottom shelves that are a part of the 71-piece kit. It is on rolling casters that it has 4 rolling casters, and they all lock. So when you get it set and you want to make sure it doesn't go anywhere, you can lock those in place. So there's a handle on the side that you can move depending on where you want it on this, and that gives you somewhere solid to be able to grab a hold of and be able to roll this thing around. Again, number of different trays and things. There's can holders, different sizes here. Threw a couple of vice grips on here to show you that example. There's a bunch of these different size hooks here. You can get anywhere from these longer ones, a little more heavy duty ones here, and some lighter ones, smaller ones for different things there. So different trays and such. So again, if you're interested in these Flextur workstations, you want to check out the possibilities and how it can help you in your shop, visit our website, Trick-Tools.com. Give us a call, and we can help get it set up the way you need it. So check out these Flextur workstations on our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.